Hello everyone, welcome to TutorialsPoint. In this video, we are going to talk about the eukaryotic cell wall structures. So we know the cell wall of eukaryotes, this is only present in case of the plant cells. So the cell wall, which is the outermost covering of these eukaryotic cells, these are mostly found in case of the plants or in case of fungi. It is not found in case of the animal cells. This is present outside the plasma membrane. To understand this, let's concentrate on this pictorial representation of the cell wall structure. So this is a typical cell. Here you can see this is the plasma membrane and a representation has been shown over here also. So this area is the plasma membrane. Outside this is the primary cell wall. This is very important. The primary cell wall, this is capable of growing. So it can grow and hence the size and shape of the whole cell or the whole structure of the plant may vary because of this growing capability of the primary cell wall. The middle layer called the middle lamella. So which is the middle layer? This black shaded portion we are seeing, this is the middle layer of the whole cell wall structure. It is known as the middle lamella. So this is made up of mostly calcium pectate. In the cell wall, there is presence of certain junctions which are known as the plasmodesmata. So these are the junctions or connections which are present in the cell which help in connecting the cytoplasm of the neighboring cells. So this helps in connection or interaction between the neighboring cells. Now let us take a look on what are the major functions played by the cell wall of the eukaryotic cells. The cell wall, as we know, it provides protection and very importantly it provides shape to the cell. So it protects the cell from various types of mechanical injuries as well as it protects from infection. So because of the presence of cell walls, plants mostly because they have the cell wall, they are protected from various types of fungal and viral infections. So these cell wall, they give a protective outer covering because of which they are protected from mechanical damage as well as infections also. It helps in cell to cell interaction as we have already discussed. Because of the presence of plasmodesmata, these cells can interact with each other because of these type of junctions called plasmodesmata. They also act as a barrier to the undesirable molecules. So all sorts of molecules cannot enter or go out of the cells. So this is aided or taken care by the presence of cell wall. So in this video, we have talked about the cell wall and its structure that is present in case of the eukaryotic cells. I hope you have understood and liked this video. Thank you.